So hello guys. So in the previous video we installed the Visual Studio Code and we set up on installing the Python extension in the Visual Studio Code. So in this video we are going to write the hello world program. So basically this will test the Python we previously installed and the code editor we just installed. So head over to your PC or your file explorer. So you're going to select on the path where you're going to save your work. Maybe it's local disk C, D, or whatever the partitions you have. So mine, I'm going to save it on the work folder. So I'm going to create a folder here, YouTube. Just created. So you can create your folder there. So I'm heading over to DSC. So here I'm going to create a folder, new. I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to name this Python Basics. Basics. So I'm going to open that folder. So when you are inside the folder, this is where we're going to store our Python programs or the Python files. So here on that you can click on the path on the top here. So you can just type, if you're using the videos, just type CMD. It's going to open the command prompt with the current path where we are going to store our Python files. So from your command prompt, you can be able to open the Visual Studio Code. You just type in the code space, then full stop of the period, then click enter. This is going to open your Visual Studio Code with the path Python basics. That's the folder where we are going to store the Python files. So you can see this is the folder I was saying Python basics. So this is the welcome window. So just don't have to mind about it. You can just close it. So here we are going to, you can create the new file, create a new folder like that. So we are going to create a new file. So we are going to call the file hello.py. You can see the moment I type .py, the icon for Python or the logo appears. Because probably we are creating the one for PHP, you'll see the icon on the logo for PHP appears. So you can confirm you have written the required extension on the correctly by seeing this logo. So from that, now we can write our first code of the program in Python. So we are going to print hello world of programming. Yeah, like that. And then you can save your work, Control S. Then after saving, you can go back to your command prompt and type Python, then the name of the file hello.py, then click enter. It's going to print the hello world of programming. So you have successfully learned the hello world program in Python, and that makes you a hacker. You can hack NASA, my friend. So let's go next. So you can learn that from your command prompt or from your Visual Studio Code. So you can just right click, then click run code. It's going to open a terminal on your Visual Studio Code, and it's going to run the code. So here you can see hello world of programming, but I don't like this. You can just open the command prompt instead of using the PowerShell. This is a PowerShell. It's a PSA. It's a PowerShell. Just use the command prompt. Don't like the PowerShell. So from this you can type Python space hello.py. Hello world of programming. Maybe add something. Already I hack this. Then this is Python like that. Then save and reload. word of programming. This is Python, and you have successfully written the hello world program in Python. Now you are welcome to learn the Python fundamentals, that is the variables, data types, in our next video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.